How can I resolve an online usage issue with my Vanilla Visa gift card?
In this video, we'll be discussing how to resolve online usage issues you might encounter while using your Vanilla Visa gift card. Follow these steps to quickly and easily address any issues you may be experiencing.
Are you entering the correct card information?
The first step in resolving any issue is making sure you've entered your Vanilla Visa gift card information correctly. Double-check the following details. Card number. This is a 16-digit number on the front of the card. Expiration date. The month and year your card expires, also located on the front. CVV code. The 3-digit security code on the back of the card.
Has the card been activated?
Before you can use your Vanilla Visa gift card online, it must be activated. To activate your card, call the activation number on the card packaging or the card itself, follow the prompts to provide the necessary information, wait for the confirmation that your card has been activated.
Is the billing address correct?
Some online merchants require a billing address to process your payment. Make sure to register your gift card on the Vanilla Visa website, provide a valid billing address, update the address on the merchant's website to match the one you registered.
Are there sufficient funds on the card?
Ensure your Vanilla Visa gift card has enough funds to cover your online purchase by checking your card balance on the Vanilla Visa website or by calling the number on the back of the card, making a purchase that is equal to or less than the available balance.
Are you trying to make an international purchase?
Vanilla Visa gift cards may not work for international transactions. Verify whether the merchant you're purchasing from is based in the United States.
Contact customer support.
If you've tried all the above steps and still can't resolve your issue, contact Vanilla Visa customer support. Call the number on the back of your card, provide the necessary information, such as card number and transaction details, work with a representative to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any online usage issues with your Vanilla Visa gift card. If all else fails, remember that customer support is always available to assist you. Happy shopping!